What's going on, guys? It's Jake here, and today, well, this year has been an insane year for me on YouTube. In 2018, my videos were viewed almost 380,000 times. The channel gained over 1,000 subscribers, and you guys spent nearly 545,000 minutes watching my videos. That's over a year in watch time. That's insane. I can't thank you guys enough for what you've done for me over this past year, over the past 2 years of being on YouTube, and I really hope I can continue to improve on all of my content in the future. I decided to compile my favorite endings from the videos I made this year. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I usually add a blooper or a funny bit from each video and put it at the end sandwiched between the two outro cards. So if you didn't know that already, you might want to start staying and watching till the end of every video. And I mean the actual end. If you're new around here and this makes you laugh, I'd consider subscribing. Alright, I won't keep you waiting any longer. Here are my top funny moments from 2018. See you next year. And comment down. It's a pretty slick little thing, but don't throw it. This thing. Alexa, did you... Dang it. Never mind.
I didn't catch that.
I know you didn't. It's actually sad how forgotten it... Hello. Hi.
I don't know that.
Alexa wasn't talking to you.
Okay, sorry.
Dang right. And also, I've got a custom freaking sock puppet, boys and girls. Wow, it's stuck in there. This will be the end bit. Let's roll that new outro. I like a lower sensitivity because I make big movements. Oh my god! I'm gonna take it and I'm just rolling with it because I can't say anything today. You thought I wouldn't mess up on the video about messing up? Well, you're wrong.